It's time to mud.
They didn't put his sports mode on.
Okay. Oh!
We bought a hoarder house, and after getting all their stuff out, we still have work to do. Have no fear, the ART fam is here. They called, said he was trying to hurry up and finish cleaning up. So this is some of the stuff we done rushed and put on a porch. We came over here to move the extra drywall pieces. Everybody was comfortable, baby. Oh, the mudders will be here. The mudders, that sounds weird.
20 minutes later.
Got the mud guys in. And they started mudding up the drywall. Oh my God! It's coming to a close. They're coming back and start these corners and all that good stuff. Had to buy, it's about 16 boxes I done bought. No, I bought like 12 boxes, about 3 buckets, whole lot, and a whole bunch of tape. These paper corners is like ridiculous on the price, man. I spent $200. $300 just on buying these corner pieces so it can look better and be easier and quicker for them to move along. That's crazy, but everything is looking good though. One thing that's irritating is like piecing in drywall where you gotta fill in the little spots. I'd definitely rather put in the big panels first and just let somebody else do the little finishing touches. But it's just crazy seeing this house like this because really this like gonna be our first time to see how this house really gonna look all together. It look totally different.
Hi.
Coop up in this joint. How you feeling today, big dog?
Good.
They even did a couple little drywall. It's my little cousin, and guess what? He got a twin. Right there. It was cracking. Y'all see I got random green board in different places. I shouldn't have returned that drywall because I had to use this green board instead, which sucked for real, because it costs a little more, but it is what it is. I wasn't about to run back to the store.
All screws.
All screws? All right, throw them in that box. That's the bathroom. Right here, we had a little issue. Y'all see how the drywall covers this lip, tub surround lip? Drywall covers it. But right here, the wall was a little bigger than what it should have been, so we had a gap, so I couldn't really overlap it with drywall. So the mud guy said that they can pretty much mud this and make all of this even, cover up this lip right here. But he said that it was gonna be $100 extra. What? And that wasn't gonna fly with me just for this little corner right here, so I said I'll do it myself. And that's what I'm doing. In the process of doing this, you gotta fill it in a little bit at a time. Because if you put too much in here, all it's gonna do is shrink and crack. So last night I put like 2 coats on, and then today I just put on another coat. So this is drying. I'm using the 45 minutes, so it should be dried in like an hour. But you pretty much just gotta keep adding on layers. Keep adding layers because up here is really thick. So see this lip right here, we just gotta keep adding mud. And then once we get to a certain point, we can take the wide trowel and just smooth all of this out. So it'll look good. It looks bumpy and a little ugly right now, but once I throw that other coat on there, it's gonna look smooth, just like this side do. Just looking good, right?
Yes.
So yep, so they're gonna be back a little later so they can start again. This is probably 1,000 square foot house and we getting charged $2,500 and we had to buy all the materials. So with those materials, sheesh, that was probably another $500 just in materials. So that's about $3 grand. Homeboy over there lifting weights with the, yeah, he ain't playing no games. That's about $3 grand so far on just paying somebody to mud. And the only reason we paying somebody to mud is because we got a big job somewhere else doing something. So by doing that big job, it allowed us to pay a couple people to help us speed things up here. So I'm gonna get back to this kitchen and then let y'all know we got another update.
I can grab this where it slides out the angle too far. Got it?
Hate to see you, keep your eyes closed. Going for the top glow. All gas, let's skate. Can't find no break.
Into it in here.
If you ain't about your paper, we can't relate. Can't let off the gas. They say I'm moving too fast. We building legacies and won't be last. I make them wave the flag. I see them coming and I do the job, but I just can't help my flow. Switch it up, then go get some more.
So what you gotta be like 3 inches before you chop that at the ends?
You kind of get a, not probably, but you get a hand for it.
Oh, okay.
I run this so long, you know, I can't really give you an exact number.
Right.
Right.
It's kind of like driving, you know.
You kind of know when to stop.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
it don't matter if you're like a little short, a little long, you know what I mean? It gets filled in, you know, so you got a little bit of room to play.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But, I mean, obviously you see mine first.
Yeah.
I mean, shoot my own horn or nothing, but I do this shit long. But when they're this high, 10 foot and above,
Yeah.
it's hard to run to the floor, so you want a guy right behind you like him, you know, making sure it don't, you know.
So do they make like extension pumps for them if you working on something higher?
They make them wrong with Zuka. I ain't never ran it.
Yeah.
If you need anything higher now, like if I'm doing 14 foot, 16 foot, whatever, I jump up on stilts.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that makes
Going
sense.
up on the baker,
Mhm.
I'm up there and I'm running off my stilts.
Oh, sure.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I ain't never used it.
Shit, I'd probably rather hop on the stilts anyway.
Yeah,
Instead of
sure.
spending more bread, make it longer.
Yeah, so you hop on the stilts and say you got this what, 4.5 foot, 5 foot, say you got like a 12 foot, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Follow my way, this way to go. If I'm at least, we all gon' flow.
Man, it's crazy seeing that doing that by hand so long. Man.
Sure.
Type of way. Shawty say she love me and that straight. You can follow them because I'm going the other way.
Man, I'm just thinking like, it took me forever yeah, doing this by hand. It's crazy.
Yeah, there's phases to it, for sure.
Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow ways. Bet it make her scream when them dreams ain't far away. Think she in a dream and you can see it on her face. Seen that money stream, now baby, that's my type of way. Going after goals, I ain't got no time to waste. Sit getting sticky, but I still keep the pace. Trying to beat me when I
Boy,
never
it's
caught
closing in.
face. Thought it was real love, turned out the shit was fake. Can't fuck up my motion. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused. Losing the track of time, I leave you it's wide open.
Oh, shot, I don't know what we would do without you, baby. Yeah.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while
Burn it. Ready?
that's my type of way. Making money while I'm sleep, now that's my type of pay.
Burn it.
Keep my mind right and figure out our needs. I let that bread stack and take care of my seeds. Cause the money in the fam is the only thing I need.
I knew this hallway's gonna be some bullshit. I had boards running this way and then had like a piece of plywood and then lifted up on that. They been getting to work. That's crazy. And we used to do all this. We was doing this by hand. And they just coming with a tool that's a box and just I love take bubble. I just put these corners on this window. At first I'm like, I can just put some trim on there. Then I'm looking at the kitchen window. I'm like, no, I'm not about to make no more work for myself. So I just wonder how quick can we get done if we had these tools? Because they only been here 3 hours a day, even today.
And this is what they do on the regular too.
It's just funny that our main thing be make sure it's smooth and that tool wiping through like that is crazy.
Man, then this dude was really over here. Like, oh my God. Y'all do not need to work together. Keep all the focus. It's like, help!
Stop by.
They didn't put his sports mode on.
Yeah. I probably should have my work boots on.
Yeah, you probably should.
First time for everything. In the crops though.
Oh my God, that look bad. Wanna hold on to me?
No, I need to sit down so I can put the other one on.
Oh, baby, bring the mud over here. Babe, please don't fall. Man, how are you gonna get up?
I don't know. This is how tall people be.
Man.
Oh, dang.
Dang, oh my goodness. Here. Hold me or something. Oh, babe, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Here, at least hold me. I'm stable. You pushing the mud.
I need something like. I'm gonna have to,
Why you can't push up on me?
I really need to get up on the floor.
Here. Put all in my face.
You sound like. Oh.
Babe, sit your ass down. Sit down.
I wonder, do they got like a split class?
Hold me. Dang.
Man, first of all, these Crocs, because my feet ain't even tight.
Oh.
So that boy is tight. Yeah.
Man.
My mom too.
This looks so funny, man.
I saw my feet.
Oh my gosh.
Something definitely the wrong shoes.
Man. You should have took your what's the name off your hip.
Down there, I know the air feel a little different down there. You know what I'm saying? We up there. We touching the ceiling. I'll see. Gotta lift up my feet. Gotta lift that joint. Alright, come here, motherfucker. Guess I sit on the fan.
Oh my goodness. I guess I sit on the fan.
I should have put this on. This look more comfy.
I'm done.
Yeah, I got too much wiggle room. Need to be tighter on my legs.
Are you gonna sit on the fan? Because I'm just over you being on these stilts.
Can't even move. You got this head straight. They gonna be like, man, why all these handprints?
You snitching on yourself? Oh my goodness.
How they got up there?
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna leave this for the professionals. Not a professional. Professional.
I'm done. How many times you done almost fell? Like 50?
Whole time.